If you want to create a short channel on YouTube but you're not sure about the category to focus on, I've brought a hidden category for you. If you create a short channel and upload short videos, your shorts will also go viral. Here, the views on this channel's short video range from 1 to almost 82 million. Now, how to use this category, and whether it is monetized, and if it is, then what's the earning? I'll provide you with all the details in this video. I will show you the best YouTube short channel ideas that are available here, the easiest method, and the highest ranking method you won't find on YouTube. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, let me tell you the name of this channel. It has 710,000 subscribers by uploading just 173 videos. Their shorts are very easy. First, let me show you the monetization proof here. I'll copy the link to this channel from here and show you the monetization proof in the YouTube monetization checker. I'll enter the code here, and after entering, you'll see the status of its monetization. You need to understand the end method of how to work on this category. I'll show you how much this channel earns, how this channel is getting 1 to 2,000 subscribers daily, and how you can complete 1,000 subscribers in just 1 or 2 days. I'll show you the earnings of this channel here, ranging from $11,000 to $180,000 monthly. You can earn on this, and even the subscribers of this channel increase daily on a 1 to 2,000 basis. Now, how you can make your channel in your language, I am going to show you that. I'll start the method from here. Let me open a video and play it for you. The sound is muted here. You can do any work at home, whether you're a lady, a man, or children. You can create these types of videos on your channel. You can do any work at home, like cooking, jogging, or making videos in any category. Take a close-up of that video, but don't tell about that video. You need to tell a story or a joke. All the videos on their channel are like this. They're considered slime-type relaxation videos. These are also called storytelling videos, where they capture the work done at home and then tell a joke or a story on it. Similarly, they've done it too. There are such lines of videos where you do any work at home. You'll find the channel link in the description of this video. Go and see, understand, and you can make slow-motion videos. But you have to do the voiceover in your voice. Here, you can see this type of video. If you make such videos on your channel, see that they upload as many videos as they can on their channel. It's like doing normal household work, and they simply put it on their channel, and YouTube's system makes their videos original, and their audio is also original. Their channel is monetized. You won't find categories like this easily on YouTube. Understand this method and work on your channel. If you liked the video, make sure to like. I will see you in the next one.